Hey guys, we're on another adventure today. Dylan and I are going to do the Byron Bay Lighthouse walk. Woohoo! We're also going to check out an op shop and some of the industrial area kind of shops that we saw along the way to Byron. I don't know what street we're on. I don't know, but we're looking forward to today. It's going to be a cool one. See you soon. Alrighty, let's start our adventure. So, first things first, you know we need coffee, we need fuel, so we went to a cafe called Postcard. It's on Acacia Street in Byron Bay. It was stunning, and here is the op shop that we went to, and convenient right across the road. Here's a little puppy that we met on this day. So beautiful, so cute. Here's a quick video of inside the op shop. I could not believe how cheap the furniture was. In Brisbane, going op shopping, you do not find furniture this cheap. Now, I only did a quick video because it was a very small and intimate op shop, people everywhere, so I didn't want to invade anybody's privacy. Now guys, this is a have to do on your list. Here we are, starting our little walk. You're about to see heaps of beachscapes. It was absolutely beautiful. Loved walking along the water and seeing how many people were enjoying the beach, but keep watching. Alright, we are walking now, heading to the lighthouse. There are some dolphins. Yeah, pretty cool, hey? There they are. Wow. Oh, more dolphins, look. Look, there's all the surfers. They're not too far away from us. I am so unfit, but Dylan is pushing my bum up the walk.
Whatever helps.
He's the real MVP of my life. That's why we got married, so he could push my bum up hills. Alright, see that lighthouse in the distance? That's where we're headed. Hey, Grace.
On the way back.
We made it! We made it! We're at the lighthouse. Here we are guys, we made it to the Byron Bay Lighthouse. So much fun, even though I was exhausted. But follow me, come on, let's go. Follow me and have a squeeze.
Far off dreams, far off places. My love, she sits. My love is waiting to set me free. Do you believe the realest things don't take up spaces? So hard to find.
is, I will turn my screen around. The beach to ourselves. So on our walk back we found this little beach. I forgot the name of it, but we're thinking of going in. Now after feeling how cold the water was, I'm not getting in, but that's okay. It doesn't take away from the moment at all. I am fine to wiggle wiggle my little toesies. So after this beautiful day at Byron Bay Lighthouse, we started our walk back to our car and we came across some whales in the water and they were just so beautiful to see. It really made the rest of the day magical. Now this is where I'm probably going to leave you guys, so thank you so much for watching another one of our videos. Take care, and if you haven't so far, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye. My love is waiting.